Hi everyone, my name is Rob Warren with the IBM Cloud team. In this video, we'll talk about VMware Solutions Shared on IBM Cloud and how to create virtual machines and connect them to a routed network.
I don't have any virtual machines defined yet. Let's create my first one right now. We'll give the VM a name. Let's create a CentOS 7 VM. The VM creation is in flight. Our VM is quickly ready. Let's look at the details page and dive in a little bit deeper. Let's look at the hardware configuration. We still need to connect our VM to the network that was created in the previous steps. Let's go ahead and do that now. There's the network. We use static IPs in that network, so we'll set that here as well. We'll go ahead and set that to be connected. We need a way to gain the initial root password to access the VM. That's done through guest OS customizations. So we'll enable guest customization. We'll allow a local administrator password, and then we'll auto-generate a password. I'll save those changes. I'll go ahead and reboot this VM to pick up those changes. And then now, powered it back on, enforcing recustomization. The power on and recustomization process is complete. Let's go find that initial root password. I'll capture this from my first login. I can access the VM via the web console or the VMware remote console as well. It worked. I'm in. Note it's always the best practice to change that initial password. Let's check the network connectivity and verify that we do have outbound access to the public internet, and we also have outbound access to the IBM Cloud private network. I'll verify the network access by pinging the DNS servers that I previously set up for the VM. Alright, that worked. Excellent. I'll try my secondary DNS server as well. Super. Next, let me try to ping one of the IBM Cloud services that I can access on the private network and verify the private network outbound access as well. Looking at the IBM Cloud public documentation for the VMware Shared service, I see that I can access the Cloud Object Storage service through this address right here. Let's go ahead and try that. Super. I can access Cloud Object Storage over the private network.
And this wraps up our demo of IBM Cloud VMware Solutions Shared, vCloud Director Virtual Machines.